Ndi Anambra Ekenemonu. Today is the 14th day of February 2022, and coincidentally the day we celebrate the Lovers Day. And let me say, love you all, and God bless you. But we've got to get to work. Today I fulfill one of my major campaign promises in my manifesto and campaigns, namely that we will today officially announce the launch of Anambra Talent Data Bank. It's going to be a platform that will offer Ndi Anambra, and indeed anyone who has something important to offer Ndi Anambra in the road to building this livable and prosperous homeland, to be able to do so. If we limit the team selection for the next government, and for those who will be offering us advice and so on, to only those that I know, or those who know me, then that's not up to 5–10% of potentially the people who potentially could offer Ndi Anambra great value. And in this journey, everybody is important. We need everybody who has something important, who has passion, who has capability, competence, and integrity. And therefore, this platform today is a wide net to do a team selection in an open, accessible, transparent, and credible process that everybody can offer us some value. And the website I will announce, I think the particular platform will announce, is www.anambratalentdatabank.ng. www.anambratalentdatabank.ng. You see, this data bank will be used now and in the future. Well, not everybody will serve at the same time. Not everybody will be called upon at the same time to serve. Short lists, whether we'll call upon you for advice or call on you to serve as commissioner, or as advisor, special assistant, or as technical assistant, heads of agencies and parastatals and so on and so forth. And even those who want to serve pro bono, who want to volunteer their time on part-time basis, just tell us that area that you have the passion to help. Even if I know you or have your CV, I still wouldn't know what specific problem or